Did you know that most cough syrups at the store come with unnecessary food dyes, chemicals, and preservatives? But you know you don't have to feed that to your kids because you follow me. I'm showing you how to make a fast and easy soothing popsicle with simple ingredients that will nourish their little bodies and work with their immune systems instead of just suppressing them. This is where I have to make a disclaimer that children under 2 should not consume honey. This is so easy, you just need 2 simple ingredients, honey and pineapple. You can either juice your pineapple or blend it, depending on what your children prefer. Mine don't mind if it's blended, so that's what I did here. And now you're just 1 popsicle mold and a few hours away from having some great popsicles that your kids will hopefully all enjoy.
These popsicles are the best.
You can't argue with that, but kids are fickle.